This video focuses on how to add a new expense account into your company file through QuickBooks 2013. In order to do this, the first thing you have to do is click on Chart of Accounts. So we'll click on that, and that will bring up a list of all of the accounts we have set up already. So to add a new account, we'll come down here and select Account, and then select New. Okay, and this lists all of the accounts that we could add. There's a lot of different choices here. Income, you could add an expense account, which is what we're going to do. You can also add fixed assets, bank accounts, loan accounts, credit card accounts, equity accounts, and other accounts. If you weren't sure what type of account you wanted to add, you can click here and see what else is included in other. For this video though, we will focus on expense accounts. So we'll click expense, and then we'll click continue. Now this brings up the account dialog box. So we need to put in an account name. Since this is a sample, we'll put in sample expense. And this is going to be really whatever expense you're having. If it's a car expense or an insurance expense, whatever it may be. So you can also make this a sub-account of another expense. So if it's maybe a different type of insurance other than what you've already got listed, such as health and liability, you can make it a sub-account of insurance so that when you put the expense to that specific insurance account, it all totals up into the total insurance. And so once you've got the sub-account set up right, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to your description. And this is where you're going to put in a description of the account. So we'll say this is property and casualty insurance expense. You can put in any notes. You could do tax line mapping as well. We're not going to get into that right now. The most important thing right now is that we just get the account set up so that we can enter transactions. As you can see though, there are lots of different options here for how to put this account in and how to have the tax line mapping set up. There's lots of different deductions, other deductions, things like that. We'll go ahead and choose insurance. And now it's got our sample account listed here in our chart of accounts. It's under insurance, but we can make the expenses go directly to that account. So this is really a good setup. It both ties into the individual insurance expense and then totals into the total insurance expense.